mouth-watering and delicious. Look at that. Look at that. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious spinach dip. So let's get started. First, here I have some tofu, and the tofu that I'm going to be using is the sprouted tofu. It's about 15 ounces. I have one bag of spinach. I have an array of spices, garlic powder, onion powder, Mrs. Dash, half of a cup of nutritional yeast, vegan mozzarella cheese, half of an onion. While you're getting your ingredients together, please have your oven being preheated at 350 degrees. In my pan, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of butter and just let that melt. So once our butter started to melt, just go ahead and add your spinach. We're just gonna cook our spinach. This is a simple recipe, guys. If you love spinach dip, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and I appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting Maxine's Corner. So what I'm gonna do now is just cook this a little bit. You don't have to go crazy with cooking it. I'm gonna add half of a teaspoon of vegetables and salad seasoning, and that should be enough for this. And then I'm gonna throw my onions in. Let's let that cook, and then we'll be right back. Okay, my healthy people, so this is all done. You can use whatever spices that you like. Once it's cooked, just go ahead and turn it off. Let's head over to make our sauce. So to my food processor, I'm going to add my tofu, and this is my sprouted tofu. I'm just gonna get this going. You go ahead and add your nutritional yeast and add all your spices to this as well. This is my garlic powder, my onion powder, everything. All the ingredients will be in the description box, so don't worry about it. So I'm just gonna blend this together. I'm going to add a pinch, salt to your taste. Just gonna go a little bit more. Okay, looks good. All right, that is perfect. Okay, my healthy people, so I've transferred my sauce over into a dish, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it inside of here. Just mix. I'm gonna end up just mixing everything together. Make it for the entire family. Once you've done that, just go ahead and mix everything together. Once you've mixed everything together, if you want to make more of this, just go ahead and double the ingredients. What I'm gonna do now, once I spread this out, before I add the rest, I'm gonna take my cheese and I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna put this here like that. Just spread that on top of it. If you like what you see so far, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. All right, look at that. And let's just sprinkle the rest of our cheese on top. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Look at that, guys. I took it out and I started eating, then I realized I wasn't recording. I added some more cheese to it. It's so mouth-watering and delicious. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, look at the cheese. Let me get some cheese on there. Woo! Yes. Oh my God. What is better than this? What is better than this? You tell me. So simple and so easy to make, guys. You're going to absolutely enjoy it. Go ahead and enjoy with your family. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, do what? Give it a big thumbs up. I'm going to enjoy this now and what? Stay healthy.